Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Raghavendra Mysore. Today we are solving the exercise 6.3 from the unit of triangles of class 10. It is taken from a CBSE textbook. The same question is going to be coming in exercise 2.3 in Karnataka state textbook. The question is like this. State which pairs of triangles in figure 6.34 are similar. Write the similarity criterion used by your own answering the questions, and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. We need to identify, they have given some set of figures, triangles, where we need to identify whether they are going to become similar or not. What is the condition to call it as a similar or not? The condition is very simple. Corresponding sides ratios should be equal and the corresponding angles should be equal. So if these two conditions are satisfied, we can call them as similar triangles. So if they are provided angles, we need to check with the angles. If they have been provided with the side, we need to check with the side. If they are provided with both angles and side, we need to check with both angles and side. So we will take the first figure here, which is given in the textbook. You can see here the first figure, triangle ABC and PQR. So if you see here, angle A is equal to 60 degree, angle B is equal to 80 degree, and angle C is equal to 40 degree. In the next triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 60 degree, angle Q is equal to 80 degree, and angle R is equal to 40 degree. So obviously they have provided only the angles, but they have not mentioned the sides. So we need to go with the condition of angles itself. The corresponding angles are equal. So I will write down here. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equal to angle P. Why? Because both of them are equal to 60 degree. Then angle B is equal to angle Q. Both of them are equal to 80 degree. And finally the remaining angle C is equal to angle R. Both of them are equal to 40 degree. So the corresponding angles are equal to one another in both the triangles. Therefore these two triangles, that is triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR with respect to the corresponding angles. So next we will go with respect to the second figure. You can see the second figure here. One is the triangle ABC, the other one is the PQR, where they have not provided the angles. Instead of that, they have been provided the sides measurement. AB is 2 centimeter or 2 units, AC is equal to 3 units, BC is equal to 2.5 units. In PQR, PQ is 6 units, PR is 5 units, and QR is 4 units. Now, if you see the figure, they doesn't resemble identically because the position of the sides has been changed. So you need to identify, whenever they have been provided the measurement of the sides, means you need to identify one will be the double of the other the side measurement of one triangle will be the double of the other triangle's side measurement. For example, here it is 6. So PQ is 6 means it is double than 3, no? So PQ and AC, they are the corresponding sides. If I take QR as 4, 4 is double than 2, that is AB and QR are the corresponding sides. Finally, PR and BC are the corresponding sides. Like that, we need to check the corresponding sides. So I will write on here the second one in triangle ABC and PQR triangle. So I will write AB by QR. They are the corresponding sides. What is the measurement of AB? AB is 2 and QR is 4. 2 by 4 can be written as what? Half. Similarly, if I go for BC by PR, BC is 2.5, PR is 5. So 2.5 ones are 2.5 twos are. So it is 1 by 2. Next one is the remaining side, that is AC by PR. AC is 3 and PR is 6. Ones are twos are. So this is also 1. You can see the sides ratios, all of them are equal. Therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We will move for the next triangle, that is a pair of triangles, that is question number 3, LMP DEF. So you can see here LP is 3 units, so its double is 6, that is DF. MP is 2 units, its double is DE, that is 4 units. So here it is 2.7 LM, but the double of 2.7 is 5.4, but here it is 5. Therefore you can see here itself one of the sides ratios is not equal to the other two sides ratios. Therefore, these two triangles are not similar. So we will work out here. In 3, triangle LMP and triangle DEF. If I take LP by DF, LP is 3, DF is 6, 1 2 it is 1 by 2. If I take MP by DE, that is 2 by 4, 1 2 it is also 1 by 2. But the last one, LM by EF, it is 2.7, it is 5. We cannot cancel 2.7 by 5, so its ratio is not equal to 1 by 2. So what we can write means LP by DF is equal to LP by DE, that is not equal to LM by EF. Therefore, triangle LMP is not similar to triangle DEF. Okay, you have understood this one. Okay, we will move for the next figure, that is fourth one. MNL triangle is given, PQR is given. See here, two sides is given and one included angle is given. What do you mean by included angle? The angle comes between the given two side measurements. One side is MN, that is 2.5. One side is ML. In between these two sides, the angle is given as 70 degree. This is called as included angle. In this triangle, if we observe PQR, PQ is given, that is 5 units, and QR is given as for 10 units. In between these two sides, there is an angle called as Q, which is also equal to 70 degree. 70 degree, 70 degree, fine. So 2.5 is a half of 5 and 5 is half of 10. So obviously we can say that these two triangles are similar, and we will work it out. Fourth one, triangle MNL and triangle PQR. Angle M is equal to angle Q, which is equal to 70 degree. MN by PQ is equal to 2.5 by 5. 1 2 it is 1 by 2. Then ML by PR, that is, it is not PR, it is QR. It is 5 by 10. 1 2 so it is also, you can see the two sides ratios are equal and the given angle is equal. Therefore, triangle MNL similar to triangle PQR. Hope that you have understood this fourth one. We will move for the next one, that is fifth one. ABC triangle is given, and here it is DEF triangle is given. In triangle ABC, 2.5, AB is 2.5, BC is 3, and angle A is 80 degree. Angle A is not the included angle because it is not present in between the given two measurement sides. Here DEF is equal to 5 units and EF is equal to 6 units, and F is equal to 80 degree. It is an included angle. Why it is called as included angle? Because it is present between the given two sides. But these two angles are not corresponding angles. Why? Because it is in the present, it is not in the included angle, it is included angle. Therefore, we cannot consider these two triangles as similar. I will write down here fifth one. Triangle ABC and a triangle DEF. So AB by DF is equal to 2.5 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 2. Next one, BC by EF, that is equal to 3 by 6, that is also equal to 1 by 2. But angle A is not equal to angle F. Why? Because they are not or you can call it as non-corresponding angles. Therefore, triangle ABC is not similar to triangle DEF. So moving for the last pair of triangles, DEF, PQR. Here DE angle is given. So only two angles are given. Obviously, we can find out the remaining the last angle. we know that sum of three angles is equal to 180 degree, one is 70, one is 80, means it is 150. In 180, if I take out 150, that is the remaining is 30 degree. So here 80 and 30 is given, that means if I add these two, it is 110. In 180, if I take out 110, it is the remaining is 70 degree. Obviously, the three, you can see the corresponding angles. So D is equal to P, E is equal to Q, F is equal to R. Therefore, these two triangles are similar triangles. We can write down triangle DEF and triangle PQR. Angle D is given, which is equal to angle P. Both of them are equal to 70 degree. Angle E is given, that is equal to angle Q, that is equal to angle 80 degree. Angle F, that is equal to angle R. Both of them are equal to angle 30 degree. Therefore, triangle DEF similar to triangle PQR. So this is how that we are going to identify the similar triangles. If they are not similar, we can identify with respect to the given measurements. I hope that you people have understood this particular question. If you have liked this video, please give a like to the video, share the video, and don't forget to do a comment. If you are new to my channel, please do support the channel by subscribing it, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be getting all my notifications first. Thanks for watching the video.